Welcome back to the third installment of our YouTube tutorial series, focusing on the personal profile page of the Nafiini app. In our last video, we explored the profile feature, essential for personalizing your presence on the app. Today, we're turning our attention to the Photos feature, a versatile tool for enhancing your timeline with visual content. Under the Profile section on your personal profile page, you'll find the Photos feature. This allows you to add new photos to your timeline in a few simple steps. To begin, tap the plus icon at the page's top right. Then click on the red icon that appears below. Here, you have the option to either snap a new picture with your camera or select photos from your gallery. You can add a caption to your photo or leave it without text. Once you're ready, just tap the Upload button at the top right to share your photo. If you need to remove a photo, it's straightforward. Click on the photo, then tap the three dots at the top right. Here, you can move the photo to an existing album, download it to your phone, edit the post's privacy settings, or delete the photo by selecting Delete at the bottom. Returning to the Photo feature, you have the option to like the picture, edit or add a description, as well as engage with comments by liking, replying, or adding your own. Additionally, you can enhance your comments with attachments like pictures, videos, or GIFs. To remove a comment, simply click on the three dots next to it. After you've made your changes, you can exit the pop-up either by clicking Done at the top right or tapping anywhere outside the pop-up. To navigate back to your gallery, click on the X icon in the top left corner. If you need to delete multiple photos at once, tap Select on the top right and then choose Delete. Another great feature is the ability to create albums for better organization of your photos. Just go to the Albums tab on the top right side of your screen and tap the plus icon at the top right to create a new album. Here, you can name your album and add photos by tapping the indicated icon. Below this, you can set the album's visibility to public, limited to your connections, or private for your eyes only. Once you've finished setting up your album, click Create at the top right to finalize it. And that's how you can make the most out of the Photos feature in the Nafiini app. In our upcoming videos, we will break down the other features found on the personal profile page, providing you with more insights and tips to enhance your experience on the Nafiini app. There's so much more to explore, and we can't wait to share it with you. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. Feel free to drop any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into the features of the personal profile. See you soon, and don't forget to secure your success with a cherry on top with Nafiini.
Nafiini selection.